right, and welcome to our math. Today is Thursday, September 6th, 18. This is going to be on page 22. We are doing 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, so those 6 problems. Shout out for, let's see who we have. Aurora, and we have Angelina. Great job today. We just want to let you know. Those are the people that had their names on the board or given me their names. So let's take a look at number 7. In the number 5 and 923 thousandths, which number is in the thousandths place? And again, to show your evidence, you need to put your decimal. So we're going to have our drawer line, decimal, and 3 lines. Here I'm going to label. So this is going to be in the ones place. We talked about this today. This is the tenths place. This is the hundredths place. And this is the thousandths place. I'm going to place the numbers here. I have 5 and 923 thousandths. It's asking me which number is in the thousandths place. I'm going to circle that one, and the number is 3. And that's how I've showed that that's my evidence. Okay, let's move on to number 8. Which number has the same value as 7 times 1 and 1,000ths? Okay, so we talked about that today. We know that this is going to be in the thousandths place. So if you're not sure, draw out your strategies, and we have the hundredths place and the 1,000ths place. The 7 is in the 1,000ths place. I know that 0 is going to hold my place value, and so the answer is B, 7 thousandths. And that's the number that has the same value. Let's look at number 9. So far, if we're okay. If you are still confused, come see me in the morning at 7:15. Get your breakfast, bring it on over, tell them you're here for tutoring. Multi-step problem, again, that means that it's going to have more than one step, more than 2 steps. Which value correctly represents the number that is 10 times as great as 581 thousandths? Okay, so let's look at what we have here. I'm going to draw my diagram. I'm going to label. This is my ones, this is my tenths, this is my hundredths, and this is my thousandths place value. Now I'm going to place this in here. This says 581 thousandths, so it's 581 thousandths. Now it's asking me 10 times. Remember we said that 10 times greater, that's going to be a larger number. So we're going to move everything over to the left one spot. And so if we draw another diagram, my 5 gets moved over to the ones place. My 8, which is in the 100ths, gets moved over to the tenths place. Oops, 8. And my 1 gets moved from the thousandths to the hundredths place. So which one shows the value that's 10 times as great as this? The answer is A. Very good. All right. And remember, showing your arrows. This helps your brain process the order and how to explain the tens and the tenths when moving the decimals. Okay, number 10. Which number has the same value? Same. And we talked about that's equal. So I put the equal signs right above it. Reminds my brain that I'm looking for its equivalent as 3 times 1/10. Again, I'm going to draw out my diagram, and I'm going to have 1/10 here, 100ths here, and 1,000ths. Well, I'm not going to be going up. This is 3. So I know my 3 is going into the tenths place. So which one is the same as 3/10? This is 3 thousandths. My 3 would have been here. That's not at all going to be correct. This is 3 wholes. Well, I don't have any holes there. So I don't have any whole numbers, so that's not correct. This here is saying my 3 would have been in the hundredths place. Well, that's not right. So the only possibility is C. Okay? I have my evidence to prove that my answer is correct. Jack's babysitter crawled, or baby sister, not sitter, but Jack's baby sister, she crawled 3 5/10 meters today. Which number represents that distance? Okay, so it's 3 and remember that decimal represents the and. So I'm going to write the number 3, and is my decimal, and it says 5/10. And I know that if I had my lines, it's 5/10 meters. Which one represents that distance? Well, I've already kind of showed my evidence. So I have my 3, my and my 5/10. This is the ones. This is 1/10. This is 1/100 and 1/1000. Well, I know exactly where my place value is, what value is going to go in which place value, or which number. Sorry about that. So this is not going to work because I don't have anything in the thousands, so that doesn't work out. Here it's 3 510. That doesn't work out at all. My 3 holes, I have something in my tenths place, so that doesn't work out. So my answer is A. And the last problem, multi-step problem, Leon measured the distance each of his 4 toy cars rolled across the floor. Now that's also going to be an experiment or an investigation we'll do in science in the next few weeks. Which car measurement that has a 4 in the thousandth place that represents the shortest distance rolled? All right, so we're looking at the shortest distance. Well, first of all, this is the ones, 1/10, 1/100, and 1/1000. So I have 0. Okay, so I'm looking for something that is in the thousandth place that has a 4. So this has a 1. That's not going to work. This has a 4, but is that going to be the smallest? And here it has a 4 in the thousandth place, but here it has a 3. So I know I'm going to get rid of that one because it doesn't work at all. Now we're comparing. So which one shows that it has the shortest distance? Well, let's compare our decimals. 7, is that less than or greater than 2? It's greater than, so that won't work out. So the one that's going to best be the smallest is C. This is the shortest distance. Smallest or shortest distance. And the answer is C. Okay, well that was tonight's homework. I want to say congrats, you all did such a fabulous job. We do have a short 6-question quiz tomorrow. You will see one of these on the quiz. You will see expanded notation, and you will see written form, and you will also see place value and identifying place value. So easy peasy. You've got this, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Have a great night. Bye.